Today we're going to learn the sounds of SH, CH, and TH. The sound of SH is sh, like in ash, ash, bash, ash, cash, ash, dash, hash, lash, mash, rash, sash, mesh, ish, dish, fish, ish, wish. This is a name. That's why it has a capital letter. Josh, Josh. Osh, posh, hush, rush, lush, shed, shin. The shin is the lower part of your leg in the front. Ship, shop, shot, shut. The most common sound of TH is the unvoiced sound of th. If you put your hand on your voice box on the front of your throat and do the sound of th, you do not feel any vibrating. If you do the other sound, which we will cover soon, the voice sound of th, you will feel your vocal cords vibrating there. Of the two sounds, the th unvoiced sound is more common. Ath, bath. The name eth, Beth. Math, moth. A moth is like a butterfly. Ath, path. Thin, cloth. Fifth, sixth, seventh, 10th. Notice that these number words use the unvoiced sound of th. This word should be on a different slide, so we will skip it. Thank, thick, think. Thorn, OR says or. Width, broth, broth. Smith, this is a very common last name in the United States. Sloth. This E is going to have its long sound because of the silent E at the end. Theme. Before we move on, hit subscribe so you can find my future videos more easily. The voiced sound of TH is V. Your tongue and mouth do the same thing, but your vocal cords vibrate, which you can feel if you put your hand on your throat. The th voiced sound is less common than the other sound. So if you see a word and you're not sure which sound it has, try the th sound first. If it doesn't give you a word you recognize, then try the th sound. Th, than, then, them, this, that, these, those. Just like the words related to numbers used the unvoiced th sound, the words that you use to point to things, this, that, these, and those, all use the voiced sound of th. This word could be pronounced two ways. For emphasis, we use a long E sound and have the. Most of the time, the word is pronounced the. This word could be pronounced with either sound, with or with. Which pronunciation you use depends on the next word after it in the sentence. The most common sound of CH is ch, like in the name ch-ad, chad, ch-ap, chap, ch-in, chin, ch-op, chop, ch-at, chat, much, much, such, rich, ip, chip, ill, chill, bench, bench, bunch, bunch, punch, punch, munch, inch, finch. A finch is a type of bird. Inch, pinch. The rest of this lesson is optional for younger students. CH has two other sounds. In words that came to us from Greek, CH has a k sound, like in the word Chris. This OO will use the sound of oo, like in school, Christmas. I'd like to point out that this T is silent and the A takes on a muffled schwa sound of so Christmas. And this word, both the O and the A will have the muffled schwa sound of stomach. Usually a silent E only makes a vowel have its long sound if the vowel is 2 letters before the E. In this case, it's 3 letters before the E, but the C and H together have one sound of k, so the E still makes the A have the long A sound, like in the word ache. In words that we get from French, the CH, this should say CH here, will have the sound of sh, like in the word chef, which is a type of cook. In this word, the A will schwa and sound like a short U, and the I will have a long E sound, machine, Chevy. A Y at the end of a longer word usually has a long E sound. Chevy is a nickname for the car brand Chevrolet. Here we have the city of Chicago with a long O sound and the O taking the muffled schwa sound again. And here we have the state of Michigan, where again the A has a muffled sound that can sound like either a short U or a short I. Here are some of my other videos. I have the Syllable Division Boot Camp, where it has 8 rules to get better at reading very long words. My basic English reading videos are good for people learning English. My reading boot camps are a series of 10-day programs for boosting reading. I also have boot camps for improving your vocabulary, spelling, and mental math.